Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $31.32. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, there is a pattern forming towards an upside, so chances can be high that if the price sustain this level, a further upside movement we can see. This was a buy situation which I've already explained you in my previous videos. The 30.2 is a buy situation here. After that, now if the price sustain above a level of 32.4, we can see there can be a rise if the price sustain this level. So you have to understand that once the price sustain above that level, probability of going further upside we can see towards 32.9 and from there a level of $33.9. Okay, probability of going further upside will be there if the price moving over that level. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price move out this level, we can see it will cross a level of 31.7 because this level is already being tested, so it will touch a level of 32.4, and once started going up this level, it can cross 32.9 and then a further high. Okay, and once the price started falling below a level of $31, it can move below a level of 29.8, which is already being tested, and then it can move below a level of $28.8. Okay, and because that level is already being tested, so it will move below this level to a level of 27.7 and then a further down we can see. Okay, now what we can see looking at this particular chart. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now coming back on the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that dollar index, after making a low of around 106.9, we have seen a bounce back has come from this particular level and the price has moved towards 108.5, and if the price started going off this level, probability of crossing a level of 109.4 will be there, and if that sustained, we can see the price will move above a level of 109.9 and then from there a level of $110.26. Okay, and this is the zone we can see, and once the price started going over this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, see, this is a U pattern is forming. Now chances of moving dollar index will be on a higher side, and then we can see it will move towards 109.5, and then from there it can touch a level of 110.194 and then a further upside movement we can see. But if the price started falling again below this level, we can see it can touch a level of $108.1, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 107.3. so this 7.3 a bounce back we can see, and then that then we can see a further fall. Okay, now if you when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the silver price will come down. Okay, because the price now trading at a level of 108, so chances of going towards 109 we can see, and then to a level of 109.5, and then it will move over a level of 110.5 and then a further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards this level, and then we can see it can touch a level of around 107. So when the dollar index started going down, we will see the silver price will go up. Okay, coming back again on the silver price, we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, probability is high that it can go towards a level of, after crossing level of 31.4, we can see it can touch a level of $31.8. Okay, if the price started going off that particular level, 31.8 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go upside, and then we can see it will go towards 32.3. After 31.8, which is already being tested, it will move towards $32.3, and once started going off 32.3, chances of touching a level of 32.5 will be there. Okay, if the price started going 32.5, we will see that it will move towards $32.9. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross this level and it will go towards $33.7. Okay, if the price started going off 33.7, further upside we can see towards 33.9 and then a further upside, because see there is a U pattern forming, so chances of going towards 33.7, then it will cross a level of 34 and then a further upside movement will be there. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $31. Okay, and if it started falling below this level, we can see a level of 29.9, and if it started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 29.4 will be there. This 29.4 is already being tested, So it will move below this level, and chances of touching a level of 28.8 will be there, and this level is already being tested here. So chances of crossing this level, we can see, then it can touch a level of around $28. Okay, and once the price started falling below $28, we will see it will go towards 27.3, which is already being tested. So chances of going further low, we can see, towards a level of 26.6. Chances are high that once the price started falling to 28, a further downfall we can see, because there will be a zone breakout. Again, I repeat, if the price sustain above a level of 20, this particular level which is trading at, it will move above a level of 31.5, because it is already tested, and then it can touch a level of 31.8, which is also being tested. So chances are high it will move above a level of 32.2, because that is already being tested here. So chances of touching a level of 32.5 will be there, and that will cross a level of 32.9, which is also being tested. So chances of touching 33.7 will be there. But if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards a level of $31 or 30.9, and then to a level of $30.8. Once starting falling below this level, we can see level of 30.7, then to a level of 30.7. Then from there we can see it can touch a level of $30. If the price started falling below this level, it will touch a level of 29.6, then to a level of $29.3, and then it will move after $29.3. We can see it can cross a level of $28.8, because this level is already being tested. So chances are high, you have to understand, once started falling below 29.3, it can move towards a level of 28.8, and it will cross this level, and there is a higher chance it will cross that level, and it will touch a level of 28.5, and then it will go towards a level of around below a level of 28, then to a level of 27.5, and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.